This is COMBAR.
Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at full-size multi-tools, specifically the COMBAR Pro Titanium. This is a multi-tool which has an axe, spade, hammer, as well as a hidden compartment which has both a saw and a knife. COMBAR is described as a heavy-duty, full-size multi-tool designed to be compact but versatile and functional for outdoor living, camping and survival applications. Designed by Aklim 8, the founders were in the Israeli Special Forces for over 20 years. The COMBAR started off initially as a Kickstarter campaign in April 2018, attracting 423 backers and investment of $237,000. The product went through numerous design iterations and version control, with quality at the heart of the design process. It was tested in the field by military units and law enforcement before becoming the product it is today. The COMBAR comes in two variants, the Fold Axe and the Titanium Pro, with the difference being one has the additional spade. In this video we're going to focus on the Titanium Pro. The tool weighs in at 1.45 kilos, about roughly 3.2 pounds, and is 40 centimeters in length. It comes with a lifetime warranty and is made from a blend of glass reinforced nylon, aluminium, stainless steel and titanium. The design is innovative. It feels like a full-sized Victorinox Swiss Army knife. The balance is good, the handle is solid and it doesn't slip or feel like it's going to break under pressure or shock when you're using it. The mechanical motion of how the axe and spade extend is quite clever. With low machined tolerances which make the lockup solid and reliable. The modular design enables you to use the inside of the handle to customize what you carry, so it's more situation and mission oriented without affecting the core function of the tool, being the axe, hammer and spade. It definitely has like a fidget factor to it. It looks cool and you can see in the design it's definitely inspired by military field exercises. I would say the applications of this tool is more camping, hiking, survival tool, an emergency response tool, and basically as a backup to your normal everyday tool. This is going to be my final verdict and final conclusion on the COMBAR Pro Titanium. Fantastic, versatile and functional tool that you can actually use and does the job really well. I've used it now for about a month. I've used it in the garden, I've used it up the woods, I've used it for everything from chopping small trees to digging up roots. Really does do the job quite well. There are some limitations. I would say it's going to be for light to medium use and something you chuck in your bag as a secondary tool. I don't think it's going to be better than a full-size dedicated tool like an axe for chopping trees down or something like that, simply because of the limitations of the tool. The axe head is quite small, although it's very sharp. It's brilliant at small branches and things like that, but you simply don't have the momentum and the weight behind the tool to chop anything large. Likewise, because of the length of the tool, 40 centimeters, when you're using the spade, you don't get the leverage to pull up deep roots and big trees and things like that. So although it's capable, you're exerting a lot of energy to do the same thing that a full-size tool would do. In regards to the hammer, it is really quite good, does the job really well. The tool is about the same size as a large hammer anyway. The only thing is, with a traditional hammer you have a protruding head, whereas when you're hitting stuff with this, there's a chance you're going to hit the whole tool rather than just the head. Who's this going to be for? I say this tool is going to be for somebody who wants a one solution, one tool that does it all effectively. It is very versatile, light enough so you can carry in a backpack. It's the type of tool, if there's a zombie apocalypse and you didn't really know what you needed, this would be the one to grab. Build quality, brilliant. Construction, brilliant. The way it locks up, the mechanics of how it deploys and how it works, how it feels in hand, really is well thought out. You can see they've put a lot of effort into it, and they refined it over time. You can see the changes they've made. The tools that come inside the handle, obviously, are good as well. The saw is brilliant, interchangeable bits. Comes with a Bosch blade. No hesitation on that, does the job well. The knife, I wouldn't say it's as good as any other knife. Materials wise, it's not that good really, but you know, as a secondary knife, fantastic. It's not going to be as good as a full size proper dedicated knife, but it's not far off. Improvements wise, I think they could have improved this in numerous ways. Number one, I think they could have used more premium materials for the handle. They've used titanium up here. They could have used it for the whole handle. It does have a liner, aluminium going throughout the handle, but you know, why use plastic or hardened plastic? I would like them to see a flashlight incorporated into the handle as well, like a Rovivon G2 or something like that, which is also detachable on the outside, like 1000 lumens. That would add dimension to it. I'd also like to see like a ferrule rod perhaps built into the handle, so you could use it for starting fires. Something similar to like what you've got on the Leatherman Signal. That would be nice as well, and it wouldn't really affect the handling of the device or increase the weight. This is effectively a full-size Victorinox multi-tool. It's that sort of arrangement where it's not going to be the best at any particular task, but it gives you an all-rounder, something which you can actually use and is functional and reliable. That being said, at the cost of £400 to £700, depending on where you get it from. Here in the UK, it retails for £660 from Heine Haynes. In America, you can buy it slightly cheaper at about £400 to £500 or $600, something like that. So it is a premium product, effectively. I mean, you could pick up an axe, a knife, and a saw, and all those individual items for a fraction of what you're paying for this. But you're paying for that one package, that one compact tool, which you would stick in your backpack, and if there's a zombie apocalypse, your one go-to tool. I'll put links in the description of this video where you can pick this up. I'll put links to the Kickstarter page and the manufacturer's page. But if you're looking for one tool that does it all, I can definitely recommend the COMBAR Pro Titanium.